These are my fidget spinners. Okay, I got this blue metal one. It's metal. I got this green soft plastic one that glows in the freaking dark. And got War of the Worlds, one of my favorite movies. In a freaking way. I'm really freaking excited. Because I haven't made a fidget spinner video yet. But they're very popular right now. Fidget spinners, they are. So, that's pretty freaking fast. Ready? Ah! Oh! Ay. Ow. Ow. Alright, this blue fidget spinner is pretty freaking deadly. Yeah, watch how fast it goes. Pretty freaking fast. Alright. And this one is good for one-handing, and it's pretty good for one-handing. And look how fast this one goes. This one's freaking amazing, guys. I timed this one is spun 4 minutes. 4 minutes without stopping. Anyway, it glows in the dark. Yeah, guys. So that's a little small fidget spinner collection. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.